Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings, then Touch ID and Passcode. Enter your passcode so the phone can make changes. Once done, remove any moisture or debris from both the screen and your finger because oils skew the sensor. That speeds enrollment. Make sure you have a backup finger ready if you plan to replace an old print versus adding a new one. Now tap Add a Finger or select an existing print to delete, so the phone is listening and ready for the next step. You should follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Lift and rest your finger repeatedly until the progress fills. The phone needs multiple angles to map depth and ridges. Once you feel steady, slightly rotate and shift placement so the sensor captures edges as well as the center. That prevents later recognition failures. If you intended to replace a print, first delete the old one so the system allocates space and avoids matching conflicts. This middle section builds a robust fingerprint profile for daily use. You finish by naming the fingerprint and testing lock/unlock right away so you verify success. Immediate checks catch problems fast. If recognition accuracy is low, below roughly 90%, remove and re-add the finger with focused edge scans to improve the template. If scans fail repeatedly, restart the iPhone and clean the sensor area with a dry, lint-free cloth that clears smudges and software hiccups. And if issues persist, delete the print, reboot, and enroll again. This usually resolves stubborn errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.